Do you know about cakes?
It is so hot in here. Like, I have to turn off my fan so y'all can hear me, guys. So that's my little haul, and like I would say my favorite is definitely this top. Like, look at the neckline. It's giving kind of vintagey, nice kind of vibe, minimalist. Like, this is me. A nice staple to have that will work for all seasons. And I'm here for the sleeves. Like, if the sleeve is extra long, like, tell me more. And I also love the skirt as well. Like, the details in the skirt. They also have in the white, but I think the black is in the better. Kind of work with a lot of things. But the white one is cute too. So I have a discount code for new customers in sales. So you need to create an account to kind of use your discount code. And it's only valid for 1 week. 1 week only. Yeah. Thank you. So I'm gonna try and straighten my hair for like, it's been so long since I've straightened my hair. Since I went natural, which is like decades ago, like I don't even remember. Like I even bought like a straightener because I don't have one. It's better to obviously go professional, but you know, it'll save my money. So this is a brand new straightener, Tresemme kind of straightener. I got this in Tesco. It was on sale for €25. So I changed my top because it's gonna get hot in here, so we are wearing our red top.
I'm not sure. Other than the turds,
A lot of volume. I tried. I haven't tried to put like a little kind of, you know, curl to it at the bottom. I don't know. So, like, it's evening already, so I'm just gonna have my hair like in a bun.